Under division, one of the helpful ways, there's a lot of things in math that can help you to speed along your merry way, or shortcuts that can help you to find answers to something. For example, write down this problem, 1200 divided by 16. 1200 divided by 16. How many of you can do that problem in your head? Sammy Ballinger, go ahead, fire off the answer. Hurry up, come on, let's go. You can't do it? Okay, well, if you can't do it, which I can't either, just looking at it. If you can't do it, there's a little trick in math that says, it's like reducing fractions. If you can divide both of these by the same number, okay, if you divide, no, because 200 times 16 would be like 332,000. If you divide both the divisor and the dividend, let's use the big mathematical words. If you divide the divisor and the dividend by the same number, you will still get the right answer. You will still get the right answer. Okay, so if I look at those two numbers, for example, David.
No, it's making. I'm trying
and the simple thing to think about is, can you cut them in half? Could I cut both of those numbers in half, and is that easy or hard to do? Brooke Collin, cutting them both in half, what would I get? If I cut both these numbers in half, don't look at me like you have no idea, because I'm sure you can cut these numbers in half. Half of 1200, Brooke?
6,000. Wait,
We need to do a little experiment if the abuse of turkey and mashed potatoes and gravies affects the substrate mind, because half of 1200 is 600, half of 16 is 8. To which you look at that and go, yeah, I can't do that either. Just go ahead and say that. But you can cut both of those in half again, and this would be 300 divided by 4. Still can't do it. You can cut that in half again. Half of 300 is 150 divided by 2, and that, if you had $1.50, half of that, some of you at least can do this, half of
75.
is 75. The answer to this problem is also 75.
Wow.
Okay.
That's amazing.
So if you were stuck on a deserted island,
You should probably do that.
and the same thing is also true with, you can also multiply by both and not change the answer. And to that you might say, well, if you have this, 5 divided by, let me look and see what they have here, 1/3. 5 divided by 1/3, maybe you can do, maybe you can't do. But, does anybody know what 1/3 times 3 is?
3/3.
Which is what?
1.
1. So if I multiply both of these by 3, I end up with the same problem that'll give me the same answer. I get 15 divided by 1. So my answer is 15. The answer to this problem is also 15. It's all the same. Or maybe this. How about this? 266 divided by 14. Can't do that problem, but what can I do with both of those? I can split them in half. Whoops, sorry. 1/33 divided by, alright, did I write the wrong number down there? Oh, I guess I didn't. And then you could take 133 and divide it by 7, which happens to work out. I guess the only point of that is you can make it an easier problem. Single division as opposed to double division there. I don't know what they're going at with that. Now take another blank piece of paper.